If you've been seeing ads for the Neurivo hand massager and wondering whether it's actually helpful or just another overhyped gadget, you're not alone. This device is being marketed as a solution for hand pain, arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, trigger finger, and even Dupuytren's contracture. It claims to use clinically proven compression and infrared heat therapy technology to treat and prevent these conditions. According to the website, it can relieve joint stiffness, boost circulation, restore strength and dexterity, and even help with faster recovery. On top of that, they're offering a 90-day money-back guarantee, which sounds reassuring at first glance. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk about what you should really pay attention to. The website for this product was recently registered on 2025-08-28. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean the brand is very new. When a website is only a few months old and is already making strong medical claims, it's important to be cautious before spending your money. Another thing that stands out is the heavy discount. The product is being offered at around 70% off. For a newly created website, such a massive discount can be questionable. This type of product is often found on wholesale or drop shipping platforms at much lower prices. That raises the possibility that this could be a rebranded generic massager being sold at a marked-up original price to make the discount look more attractive. One major red flag is the use of strong medical claims. The website suggests that the Neurivo hand massager can help with carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, trigger finger, and Dupuytren's contracture. These are serious medical conditions that usually require proper diagnosis and professional treatment. If a product claims it can treat or prevent these conditions, but does not clearly mention FDA approval or provide solid clinical proof, that's something you should question. The phrase clinically proven technology is also worth examining. If the website does not clearly link to published clinical studies or verifiable research specifically about their exact branded product, then this may simply be marketing language. Just because compression and heat therapy are generally known to provide temporary relief does not mean this specific device has been clinically proven to cure or prevent medical conditions. You may also notice large slashed prices and limited-time offers creating a sense of urgency. This pricing tactic is common in heavily marketed or drop-shipping products. It pushes customers to buy quickly without doing proper research. Another concern is the lack of independent customer reviews. If most of the positive reviews appear only on the official website and you cannot find genuine feedback on trusted platforms or forums, it becomes difficult to verify whether real customers are satisfied. Independent reviews often tell a more balanced story. Transparency is also important. If the company does not clearly list a physical business address, verified phone support, or detailed company information, that can raise concerns. Products that position themselves close to the medical field usually provide strong transparency to build trust. The return policy also deserves careful reading. Even though a 90-day money-back guarantee sounds good, sometimes the fine print includes strict conditions, restocking fees, or complicated return procedures. If the policy feels vague or hard to understand, that's something to think about before ordering. Finally, be cautious about overly broad benefit claims. Heat and compression can help relax muscles and temporarily ease discomfort, but any suggestion of permanent healing, guaranteed results, or treating serious medical conditions should be viewed carefully. So, is the Neurivo hand massager legit or a scam? At this stage, it appears to be a heavily marketed hand massager with strong claims that may not be fully backed by clear evidence. It might provide temporary comfort like many similar devices, but the bold medical promises and marketing tactics mean you should do your own research and consider speaking with a healthcare professional before relying on it for serious conditions. Always remember, when it comes to your health, it's better to be cautious than regretful later.